Hey girl.
Hey,
Nice computer. My husband got me one of those.
what's a computer?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And I mean back because we haven't posted for like 2 years. And it feels so cool being in front of the camera again. But here, it's a different video. Jeremiah's not around. Only my iPad. Okay, fun fact about my iPad. It's the first one to come with the fingerprint. The first iPad. So, I need an upgrade. So someone decided to buy me something. Are you ready? Drum roll. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So, oh, it comes with a. I need an upgrade. So, are you ready? Okay. Yeah, y'all trying to see? My husband got me an iPad Pro. I mean, it's a huge upgrade compared to this one right here. We have this iPad is old. Okay, back to this. Oh my god. Whoa. The box is so, I don't know, it's just, look. It just says it all. I haven't even opened it. Okay. I don't want to open it. It's so cute. For a thumbnail. Look, it's just like. Okay, yeah. If this is how big the iPad is, the Pro, then I have no idea how I'm gonna do to grab this one because I feel like this one, my iPad is too big already. But let's see. Let me close this knife. How do you close the knife? Hold on, I got technical difficulties. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh. Okay. Y'all heard that? I'm so excited. Oh, and the reason why I have gloves is because I'm doing a surgery. My little surgery. Hey, the box is not that heavy. Okay, you ready? Can't open it. Oh, come out, guys. Oh, come out. Okay, it's coming. Staying forever. Oh my gosh. Look at this. And the camera. It's like a huge iPhone 11. Whoa, it's so nice. So it comes with the two same little cameras, but it comes with that little LiDAR. If I'm recording something, I could bother people. I could just be like this, cover everyone's view. It's just so beautiful. Everyone's favorite part. Yeah, listen closely. it's everyone's favorite part. Ta-da! Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So compared to this Mac Pro, I mean, it is more portable. And then the good thing about it is that you don't need Wi-Fi for the iPad. Like, you could take the iPad anywhere. You could take it, I mean, I could take it to my mom's house and I could still get signal. And my mom lives like, what, like in the mountains? But, I mean, it's somewhere where she doesn't get Wi-Fi signal. But if I take this beautiful thing, I would get signal, trust me, I would. So yeah, guys, this was it. I'm sorry, but I haven't talked to a camera in a while. I've been busy, but I'm so thankful for my boyfriend. Oh wait, he's not my boyfriend no more. Look, look, look. We got married. Look, he gave me this beautiful ring. You like it? Well, yeah, we got married. We're about to make a year in August. I want to see part dos. Wait, dos. That is gonna be turning on this iPad. Stay tuned. Wait. Hold on, guys.
What you doing?
Just turn it off.